Welcome to Casa Grace. Located in one of the most tranquil and desirable areas of Ajijic. This beautiful house offers a comfortable and practical living experience. Situated in the exclusive condominium La Huerta, in West Ajijic, this property features 2 bedrooms, spacious and bright, perfect for resting and enjoying the serenity of the surroundings. Partially furnished. Includes some furniture, allowing you to personalize the space to suit your needs and taste. With an excellent layout and quality finishes, this home is perfect for those looking to enjoy life in Ajijic. 2 full bathrooms, equipped with modern finishes, providing comfort and style. Prime location. A peaceful, secure condominium in a well-located area, close to everything you need while being removed from the noise of the city. Surrounded by nature in just minutes from downtown. General amenities, gated community, with ceilings. Covered terrace, deck, balcony, yard, garden. $379,000 USD. Schedule your appointment to view it today. Call at 332-634-8535, www.buyselajijic.com.